business and someone's like, hi, whatever your name is. Like, there's been plenty of times I've been out minding my business and I had someone come up to me like, oh, hi, Rosetta, how are you? Yada, 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 yada. And I'm talking and I'm talking and I'm smiling and talking. And then when they walk away, I'm like, who the hell were you? How do you know my name? Like, I'm 1,000% sure I don't know who you are. So that means you don't know who I am. So, how you know my name? How'd you figure me out? Did you go on Facebook? Did you go on Instagram? Did you go on Snapchat? Like, how do you know my name? Like, how? Like, I'd be so confused because then I'm starting to think, like, okay, like, where did I meet you? I know if I wasn't from a job because never seen you there before. Then again, when I be out, we won't get into that. But, like, I get really like, oh, okay, well, hello, hi, yes, that's me, but who are you? And then the worst thing is, I don't know their name. And then I'm just sitting like, oh, yeah. I don't know who you are. And forgive me for not knowing who you are. But I don't know who you are, and I don't know how you know my name. Or, well, you don't know who I am. But I don't know how you even know my name. Because I don't know you. And my memory is pretty fucking good. I have an amazing memory. So I can tell you when I meet someone, their name. Like, I'm really good with that. So if I have someone coming up to me like, hey, girl, hi, Rosetta. I'm like, I don't know you. You the FBI? But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Guys, happy Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.